Hello and welcome. I'm going to walk you through the cleaning protocol for the BELA MD Plus device. Ensure to dispose of the single-use aqua tip. Dispose of the microdermabrasion felt filter. Attach the cleaning cap to the aqua handpiece. Clean and maintain the system and nozzle with disinfectant. Select the aqua peeling icon on the main screen display. Select C for clean. Turn the flow dial to 3, vacuum dial to 2, and push start. The system will automatically run for 5 minutes and then shut off. Clean the handpiece using Cavicide wipe. Wipe the handpiece cords, the screen, and the main body. Wipe the entire device down with alcohol following the Cavicide wipe. Once the 5-minute disinfecting cycle has run its course, select the HC cleaning mode. Change the vacuum and flow dials to the highest levels. Select Start and the system automatically starts the HC cleaning mode for 90 seconds and then will shut off. Remove the waste liquid container from the back of the system, empty it, and clean it with soap and water. Wipe off the metallic sensor inside the liquid waste container, making sure it is completely dry. If the sensor is wet, there will be a false warning indicating that the liquid waste level has reached its limit. Reconnect the liquid waste container. Remove the H2 module by holding the bottle section and refill for next treatment. For best practices, it is highly recommended to clean the electrodes inside the H2 module once a month. Operate cleansing mode with a cap full of vinegar. After 90 seconds of cleaning mode, rinse the H2 bottle with water and operate the cleansing mode again with clean mineral water. Filters are to be cleaned every time the solution has been replaced or changed. Clean the filter with running water and air dry for reuse. Change the black small and large O-rings from your handpiece every 3 months to ensure optimal air tightness of your device. Change the red O-ring of your BELA MD liquid waste jar twice a year. Apply a waterproof lubricant to the new O-rings, making sure to have a thin uniform film applied to the entire surface of the O-ring.